What's up, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. Today I'm giving you guys a quick update on the $100 50k challenge, and still no trades on the challenge. Still haven't taken a trade since I started, I think last Wednesday. um because I'm a little bit pickier with my trades as well with the challenge, because obviously you don't want to like send it the wrong way too much. Now there is risk management involved with it, like I said before, but again, you do want to take it a little bit more carefully this one. And the truth is, guys, the market does not care about my challenge. Okay, it does not care about content, it doesn't care about your bills, it doesn't care about your goals. It owes you absolutely nothing. All right, one of the most destructive beliefs in trading is this quiet expectation that it's been a few days, I'm due for a trade. No, you're not due for anything, guys. The market does not run on your schedule. It does not produce setups because you're bored. It does not move because you want it to. When you feel like you need a trade, you've already lost your control. You need to step away. All right. When you feel like you need to take a trade, please, oh please, do not take a trade. Right. That feeling that you're feeling, that's ego, impatience, entitlement, even. Right. The retail mindset is: I showed up, so I deserve opportunity. I studied, so I deserve profit. I waited 2 days, so something should happen. No, right? The professional mindset and the way to think about it is: I wait until probability is obvious, right? I pass on 90% or more of what I see. I protect my capital first, and I do not negotiate with my rules. All right. The market rewards discipline, right? Not attendance, right? You're not paid for your decision, or you're not paid for your time in trading. You're paid for your decisions. So make sure you take good ones, right? It rewards discipline, not participation. Okay. With this $100 challenge, guys, I'm even pickier than usual, like I said before, right? Because this account exposes entitlement fast. You cannot afford a boredom trade. You cannot afford a revenge entry, a close enough setup, a maybe displacement, right? It has to be clean, obvious. Everything has to align. If it's not there, I sit and I wait, and I have the discipline to do so, right? Cash is also a position, and cash is when you're in no position, but it in itself is a position, right? So let's break this down a little deeper, right? When the trader feels the market owes them, what does that do? Well, they lower their standards, right? They justify weak setups, they widen their stops, they braid their bias, they might cut the trade early, they overtrade, they develop bad habits. I could keep going on and on and on like this, right? And then they blame what? The algorithm, right? The algorithm, news, manipulation, ICT, the broker, the market makers, the data of the week that it is, their mother. I don't even know, right? The truth is, they forced the trade. They shouldn't have been in it. The market didn't owe them anything. The market never owes you anything. They tried to extract something that wasn't there. You have to think about it this way too, right? You're kind of fighting against scholars and academics and people that are pretty smart in the market. So if you break your rules and if you do something, you're obviously going to get eaten, right? There's companies that are in there. There's big things going on. There's people are being against you. There's people hedging you. There's people, like, you got to be smart about your shit, all right? There are infinite trades, right? If you believe that, you stop chasing. If you believe opportunity is rare and fleeting, you're going to panic, right? The best traders, they operate from abundance. I don't need this trade. I can miss this move. There'll be another. There'll always be tomorrow. That's power right there. That's when you now hold your own fate in your own hands and you can decide what you want to do with it, right? So here's the real lesson: you do not get paid for trading, you get paid for filtering, okay? The difference between profitable and unprofitable trader is not intelligence, it's restraint. The ability to say no over and over and over and over until the setup screams at you yes, right? And sometimes that yes setup will go through your stop loss, and you need the mental capability of saying that's fine. It happens. It's all part of my data. Also, you need to have fucking data. I was teaching somebody, and he said he doesn't want to journal. He'll never journal. And I was like, well, if you're not willing to put in a little bit of time to journal, you're already starting behind everybody else. But okay. Anyways, so yeah, basically, I got a little out of hands there into a whole psychology lesson. But basically, still no trades on the $100 challenge, and that's fine, right? Because the market doesn't owe me one, like I said. And when it gives me something clean, I'll execute on it. But until then, we wait, right? That's what professionals do. If you guys like the video, please like, comment, subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one. The next update, hopefully I took a trade. Hopefully that's tomorrow. And I love every single one of you. Peace.